In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable TIKFINITY here in +1 speed keyboard Escape Candy and Chocolate Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if any point throughout this guide you do have any question, just ask them down in the comment section below. Now, first things first, make sure that you have launched and opened up the game. Once you open up the game, look at the top right corner of your screen, click on the TIKFINITY button to open up the action menu and toggle the feature on. From there, you can see and customize various interactive stream actions like transforming into a chicken, triggering a banana slip, exploding, or even turning invisible. Make sure you do enable the TIKFINITY when you open up TIKFINITY right over in the window. It will be on the upper left of the menu right here. Make sure that is on. Once you're done, you can basically go ahead and redone and do everything. If this video helped you out, please do leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.